learning anatomy is hard. It's hard.
Yeah.
What is that?
Completely banged in myself.
Look at this!
Oh no.
God dang, I'm sorry. I promise it's for anatomy, it's for science.
Golly, wouldn't it be nice to have a buddy to help you figure this junk out?
Hello, I'm your buddy. I hate school, but I love learning. Welcome, my fellow self-learners, to the Crystal Library. My name is Kiana Peppers, aka Crystal K, resident adorkable cat mom, and occasional anime dork. I would like to introduce Proko Revisited. Amazingly, when you're looking at a picture, you're only seeing one perspective, but you still have to know what's behind the camera. You still have to know what you're not looking at. So that's really where the challenge is going to be. If you're looking at a front-facing model, can you sketch what's hidden? Essentially, I took Proko's course all the way through from Jump almost 4 or 5 years ago, 2018, 2019. And a lot of that information is rusted over. There is a link to all of the stuff that I've learned. It is not completely invisible. I documented my entire process, and you can see the growth over time, where I started and where we ended up. There's a huge jump that I want to recover because I know a lot more than I do now, and I can hopefully help you guys learn a lot better through this process. So Proko Revisited is going to be a chance for me to better understand the content, as well as give you a chance to help and ask questions. If you have things that we can break down together, let's team up. Ow, my knuckles. Here I come. Rougher than the rest of them. He does chuckle, shut up. I have already learned all the stuff that was in the premium course. Proko Revisited is going to be an entire series that I plan to do from Jump. I'm not going to share all of the premium details, obviously, because I can't do that. Go watch his course and go pay for his course because it's great. CK certified, I love it. It's an exorbitant amount of information and it's worth your time if you are serious about improving your art. However, if you want to continue learning these things with me, he offers all of the information for free. Half of it is selectively sent to the premium side of things, but if you are just learning his stuff for the first time, he offers a lot of stuff in his freemium content on YouTube. I am hoping to go back and properly 3Dify all of these lessons. How exciting is that going to be? Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go over here and learn Blender by myself real quick. I would love to continue doing this journey, but A, we do the illustrations again and see the vast difference in time of how far I've come and as how I've jumped as an artist. And then we 3Dify things in Blender and sculpt everything out. And even better, I've always wanted to try ZBrush, just can't afford it right now. But we're not just staying here with anatomy, we're going to branch off to character design and character creation as well. But I think it makes sense to properly take a look at the body because it is the most complex thing we as artists need to know. And then possibly animal anatomy going forward because creature design is coming up too. I want to get into that as well. So let's cover our bases, get the foundation, all of that understood. We'll have fun along the way. And then when we have a bit more of an understanding in 2D, we can branch off into 3D and really have fun. Because character design is only so much fun if you know what you're doing. You gotta know the rules to play the game. Okay? I hope to see you in the next Sunday stream. Bring your questions so we can get our homework done together. All right? See you next time.